If you have an event coming up, such as a prom, a wedding, a party, a photo shoot, or you just want your skin to look its very best each and every day, we at the Elizabeth Roche Med Spa will put together a treatment plan to give you beautiful skin that glows and gets you red carpet ready for your events. The first treatment that will give you that instant glow is something called a hydrofacial. A hydrofacial is a very quick and easy procedure. It's basically a hydration facial using a machine. This machine has a special handpiece with a vortex tip, which serves two functions. It's first cleansing your skin by extracting and getting rid of dead skin cells, exfoliating and brightening the skin by removing that outer dull surface. The second function of this handpiece is that it infuses serums such as vitamin C, antioxidants, growth factors. It leaves your skin looking hydrated and bright and ready to go. You can put your makeup on and go to your special event feeling and looking absolutely amazing. The second treatment that I'd like to tell you about to get that red carpet glow is something called dermaplaning. Dermaplaning is a very easy treatment. We mechanically remove the dead skin cells using a stainless steel surgical medical grade scalpel. It's gently glided across the surface of the skin. In doing this, we're removing the dead skin cell layer. That's the keratinized skin cells. It also removes the fine vellus hairs. The combination of removing these hairs and dead skin cells reveals the inner, fresh, new cells that are just lying underneath. Dermaplaning is often done in conjunction with a hydrofacial or a chemical peel. Because we're removing that barrier, the dead skin cell barrier, there's greater absorption of the serums or the products we put on your skin afterwards. This is a treatment that we usually recommend to have done a couple of days before so that the serums can penetrate in and rejuvenate your skin and make it look beautiful and glowing and ready for your event. The third treatment I'd like to tell you about is something called microneedling with AquaGold. This is a treatment where we are creating tiny little channels with very thin needles. They're about the size of human hairs, and they penetrate down about 0.6 millimeters, which is about 600 microns, very superficially. But in creating these little channels, we're able to put serums, antioxidants, platelet-derived growth factors, polydeoxyribonucleotides, such as the product that's found in VAMP, and infuse this in your skin. Your skin absorbs it, and then you'll get a beautiful glow. We usually have patients do this treatment a couple of days prior to their event, just so that you can get the maximum benefits of this beautiful glow treatment. The fourth treatment that I'd like to talk to you about to get a beautiful glow before an event are basic chemical peels. Chemical peels fall into two major categories. There are the alpha hydroxy acids, which include glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid. These help exfoliate the dead skin cell layer, once again revealing the fresh new skin cells underneath. The second type of chemical peel are the beta hydroxy acids, such as salicylic acid. These are oil-soluble peels that can penetrate through sebum. They help unclog pores. They help with acne skin. Either way, when we put a chemical peel on, a few days later, your skin is going to shed the dead skin cells, and then the newer, fresher skin cells will be underneath. Our peels at the Elizabeth Roche Med Spa are customized to you. So if you only have 3 days, we would put a lighter peel on you. If you have a week, we could put something a little stronger, which will exfoliate a little deeper, both resulting in fresh, vibrant new skin for your event. The fifth treatment I'd like to talk to you about is something called Skin Tight. It's a photofacial or broadband light with a specific wavelength that targets your collagen. It's a two-stage process. The first stage, that heat and energy that gets transferred under the skin, is immediately going to tighten up the existing collagen and elastin. Doing that, you get firmness, tightness, and a beautiful glow on your skin. You can have this done, put your makeup on, and be good to go for your event. A day of, day prior, a week prior. The second stage of Skin Tight happens, and what's going on under the skin is that there are little thermal injuries. This tricks your body and it starts the healing process. and that creates new collagen. You'll see the results of that in week 3, 4, 5. It continues on way after the treatment date. So it's immediate results as well as long-term results. If you have hyperpigmentation, this treatment can help with that. We add another wavelength that targets those cells that are causing the pigmentation. It brings them to the surface. It takes about 2 weeks for those cells to turn over and exfoliate off of your skin. So you'll need a little more downtime for this procedure. However, a week into it, if you couple it with the hydrofacial or the dermaplaning that we spoke about, you'll get to your end result quicker. Either way, this high-end glow treatment is one of our most loved treatments by our patients. It will have you looking great for this big event coming up.